Okay student, Assalamu alaikum all of you. Today we are going to learn about noun. In previous video, we discussed about what is part of speech. And let us start to explain one by one the part of speech. Our first part of speech is that noun. We all are very familiar to know what is noun. So let us start to know the definition of noun. What is noun? This question is in front of us. A noun is a word used for naming some person, place, thing, idea and feeling and quality. Whenever we are talking about person, name of the person and place, thing, idea, it is called, we are using the noun. And we should know how many categories and kinds of noun. So let us start to know the categories and kinds of the noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. And fourth, material noun and abstract noun. These are the categories of noun. Let us start to explain one by one. What is proper noun? What is collective noun? What is common noun, material noun and abstract noun? So let us start. First, we should understand what is proper noun. Whenever we are calling someone by his name, it is a proper noun. Whenever we are calling some person with the help of his name, it is proper noun. For example, Ravi is a name of person. Rashmi, Tuffy is a name of dog. And Delhi, Usha is a name of thing. Means it is a category of Usha fan. Okay, fan. Whenever we are using name of the fan is a common name. But Usha is a proper name because it is a name of a thing. And Renault is a name of the thing we use for thing. Renault is a pen, but pen is a common noun, but Renault is a proper noun. And second thing is that what is common noun? Whenever we are using the word which is commonly for their group, whenever we are using the word for group, a commonly word, for example, Ram, Sham, Akash, Ahmad, Akbar, all are a proper noun, but these all group are boy. Okay, whenever we are called Ram is a boy, Sham is a boy, Akbar is a boy, it is called a common noun for use is commonly. Okay, Ram, Sham, we cannot be called Ram is a Sham, no, Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. Boy is a commonly used for the group of boys. And man, girl. Sita is a proper noun, but what is Sita? Sita is girl. Sunita is a proper noun, but what is Sunita? Sunita is a girl. Okay. Woman, Lakshmi, Lata Mangeshkar. This is the name of this is proper name. But what is Sunita? Sunita is a woman. Geeta is woman. Dog. There are many categories of dog. Tuffy, wolf. So many dog categories existent, but we call the group of the dogs in simple word dog. City. Akola is a proper noun, but what is Akola? Akola is a city. Amravati is a proper name, but what is Amravati? Amravati is a city. Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad, these all are a city. We add city word before this name. State, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Goa, these all are a state. Nation, India is a nation, America is a nation, Pakistan is a nation. India is a proper noun, but what is India? India is a nation. Okay. Fan. Before we discuss about Usha. Usha is a proper name, but what is Usha? Usha is a fan. Orientate is a proper name, but what is Usha? What is Orientate? These all are fan. Okay. Fan is a common noun. which is used commonly for all the companies fan. Collective noun. Collective noun is a name of group. Whenever we are calling something in the form of group, it is a collective noun. It's collect all the person, all the thing. It is called collective nouns, such as people. People is a name of group. Crowd, group, etc. It's called collective noun. And second is material noun. Material noun. The material noun exists in air, over the earth, under the water. All things which we use in our daily life, it is called material noun, such as gold, silver, water, cement, stone, and milk, etc. So many things which we use in our daily life. It is called material noun. And next, abstract noun. The abstract noun is no physical existence. We cannot see the thing, but we can call it in the form of noun. It is called abstract noun, such as truth. We cannot see truth, but we can say it is truth. Truth is a name. Wise. We cannot see wise, but we can call the wise as a name. Grief. We cannot see the grief, but grief is a noun. Birthday. We all know that birthday we celebrate, but birthday we cannot be see. We see only program, but birthday it's not we can see. Okay. Honesty. We see the people, but what is the shape of honesty? We don't know, but we can call it. Honesty is a name. Childhood. We can see child, but childhood we cannot be see. So, boys and girls, abstract noun we cannot be see, but we can observe it, we can feel it, we can emotion it. It is called abstract noun. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any doubt about this video, you can call us and clear your all doubts.